from New York, I'm Vonnie Quinn.
And from London, I'm Guy Johnson. This is Bloomberg Markets. Vonnie, let's turn our attention to what's happening in the crude market and the commodity market more broadly. It's time for Futures in Focus. Let's go to the CME. Scott Gecas of Fox Group joining us from there. Scott, we're waiting to see exactly what comes out of OPEC+. But with China and the virus story dominating the headlines, I have to assume that the demand story is going to get worse from here. What does that mean for crude?
Yeah, well, the bottom line is how much is this coronavirus going to affect demand across the board? Not just oil, not just gold, but as well as all the grains, all the meats. I mean, it's a very big factor. So with the extended shutdown of China, random, U.S. companies are suggesting that they shut down stores in China. You know, that demand fear is definitely still there. The 24-hour infection rate of the coronavirus is hitting the single-day high as of now. So it doesn't seem like that demand is going to increase anytime soon until we can get this coronavirus under control. So until that happens, we have to wait and see what what is going to come out with this coronavirus and if that could be subsided one way or the other. So until that happens, we don't expect to see any of those big imports to China happen anytime soon. The biggest fear right now is the grain market. You know, whether or not China can fulfill that phase 1 trade deal. So that's why you're seeing a lot of pressure on the downside across the, just pretty much broadly across the board from oil, the lack of demand in gold with physical jewelry, as well as the demand in soybeans, as well as the hardest hit market that I'm looking at is the hog market with the pork, with the African swine fever running rampant. It's still spreading, even hitting Germany right now. So until those imports can come in, we expect that demand to at least stay the same, if not deplete a little bit.
Amazing stuff. It's amazing how it is rippling out across the world and across the market. Scott, thank you very much indeed. Scott Gecas, Chief Market Strategist, joining us from the Fox Group out of the CME.